Hey there, fellow fitness professionals. Welcome back to another episode of Fitness Marketing 101. I'm Andrew, and today we're diving deep into a skill that can turn your marketing from mundane to magical, and that is through the art of storytelling. In a world flooded with information, stories are the bridges that connect us. Whether you're a seasoned trainer or just starting, your fitness journey is a story waiting to captivate your audience. So, step one, find your origin. Every great story has a beginning. Share the pivotal moment that ignited your passion for fitness, whether it was a personal transformation or a life-changing experience. This is your origin story that sets the stage for your personal journey. To help inspire you, here's my origin story. My love for sport started at a tender age. I'll never forget the day my granddad handed me my first football when I was just 3 years old. It was a Manchester United ball and it felt like magic in my hands. Football became my world. It still is. I played for local teams, dreamed of scoring goals like my idols, Brighton Robson, and cherished every moment on the pitch. But as life often does, it threw a curveball. At 21, I faced a tough reality. I had suffered knee and ankle ligament injuries, and that ultimately forced me to hang up my boots. Now, the absence of the beautiful game took a toll on me, and I found myself piling on the pounds because I was eating, drinking, and so on and so forth, as you do in your early 20s. But it was a bit of a wake-up call that came in the form of being on holiday and getting back from that holiday and looking at those holiday snaps, staring at that image of an overweight me. I knew something had to change. So I joined the gym and I was determined to regain not just my fitness, but my zest for life. And that journey was nothing short of remarkable. As I shed those pounds, I rediscovered my passion for health and fitness. And it was then that the dream of becoming a personal trainer was born. People within the gym were asking me to help them, and I had that passion, as I say. I wanted to give that help and support. So I got qualified, and then in 2004 I took the plunge, launching my own fitness business. It wasn't just about helping people get fit, it was about inspiring them to embark on that transformation, the same journey that I'd experienced. And over the years, my reach expanded, and today, I'm fortunate enough to train people around the world. But the journey doesn't stop there. Now I'm in a position to share my experiences and knowledge to help fellow fitness professionals, just like you, grow their businesses. My story is a testament to the power of resilience, passion, and the unwavering belief that fitness can change lives. And I know that you feel the same too. And now I'm here to be part of your story, to help you reach your goals and to assist fitness professionals like you in their quest for success. Because, my friend, the journey ahead is bound to be remarkable, and together we'll make it an extraordinary one. Okay, so that's my story. Now it's your turn. How does your story begin? Step two, highlight your struggles. Vulnerability builds connections. Share the obstacles and challenges you faced along the way. These struggles humanize you and show you that you're not just relatable, but you're an authority. As a personal trainer, I've always been the one to motivate and inspire others, but today I want to share something a bit different. I want to talk about my challenges when it comes to feeling vulnerable. When I started my journey as a fitness coach, I thought I needed to have it together. Perfect workouts, perfect nutrition, perfect everything. After all, I was supposed to be the expert, right? But here's the truth. I'm human, just like you. I've faced challenges, I've faced setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. And it's precisely these moments that I believe have made me a better coach. I remember one particular client struggling to lose weight. No matter how hard we worked, the results just weren't there. I felt that I was failing them and ultimately failing myself. That's when I realized something crucial. It's okay to be vulnerable. It's okay to admit that you don't have all the answers. And it's in those moments of vulnerability that growth happens. I sat down with my client and we had an open and frank conversation. I shared my own challenges, my own doubts, and ultimately it was like a weight was lifted off both of us. We became a strong team working through the struggles together. And you know what? It was in that vulnerability that we found the strength required. We adjusted the strategy, stayed committed, and eventually the breakthrough happened. I realized that by embracing vulnerability, I could connect with my clients on a much deeper level. They weren't looking for a perfect trainer. They were looking for somebody who understood their journey and had stood in their shoes. So here's the lesson. Vulnerability doesn't weaken you. It empowers you. It allows you to relate, connect, and inspire in a way that perfection never could. Today, I wear my vulnerability as a badge of honor. It's a reminder that as a personal trainer, I'm not just here to guide, I'm here to share, to listen, and to grow with you. Because, my friend, in vulnerability, we find strength, and in strength, we find transformation. Sharing your vulnerable side can be extremely powerful, so what personal stories can you share with your audience? Okay, step 3, showcase client transformations. Your client's success stories are a goldmine of storytelling material. Highlight their journeys, emphasizing their struggles, progress, and ultimate victories. This not only promotes your expertise, but also inspires trust. Step 4, paint the future. Where's your fitness journey leading you? Share your aspirations, goals, and upcoming plans. Your audience will become invested in your journey, and it sets the stage for exciting updates. Future-orientated storytelling is more than just sharing dreams and goals. It's about inviting your audience to join you on a journey. So when you paint the future, you're giving them a glimpse into what's possible, igniting their curiosity and inspiring them to be part of your narrative. I think it's a powerful tool that not only sets the stage for exciting updates, but also fosters a sense of community and shared purpose. Your audience becomes invested in your journey because they see a piece of themselves in your aspirations. So let's look to embark on this journey together, where the road ahead is filled with possibilities, transformations, and the unwavering belief that the best is yet to come. Step 5, craft a compelling call to action. Every story needs a resolution. Your call to action is the climax, the moment your audience becomes part of that story. Whether it's signing up for a program or reaching out for a consultation, guide them towards that next chapter. To give you some assistance, here are 3 examples of great calls to action that you can swipe for your next marketing piece. First up, the inclusive call to action. Are you ready to join our thriving community of fitness enthusiasts? Click the Join Now button to start your journey with us today. This call to action is effective because it invites the audience to become part of a supportive community, which can, as we know, be a compelling motivation for people looking to improve their fitness. Next up, the personal consultation call to action. Let's talk about your fitness goals and create a customized plan just for you. Schedule a free consultation with me and let's get started. This call to action is a powerful one because it offers a personalized approach, showing that you're invested in the individual's success, which of course can be highly appealing to potential clients. Okay, next up, the challenge participation call to action. Join our fitness challenge and you can be featured in our success stories. Your progress could inspire others on their fitness journey. This call to action is engaging because it taps into the human desire for recognition and the opportunity to inspire others. It encourages active participation and showcases a potential reward. Each of these call to actions offer a combination of inclusiveness, personalization, and engagement, making them effective to guiding your audience to their next chapter in their fitness journey. Remember, storytelling isn't about selling, it's about sharing, inspiring, and collect. When you share your journey authentically, you're inviting your audience to become a bigger part of something that's bigger than themselves. So whether you're crafting your own fitness story or weaving tales of transformation for your clients, storytelling is the secret sauce that adds flavor to your marketing strategy. If you found this episode on the art of storytelling valuable and inspiring, please take a moment to show your support. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked it. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts, because as always, I'd love to hear your stories and experiences. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on my upcoming episodes packed with fitness marketing insights and motivation. And in the next episode, we'll dive into the exciting world of online advertising and how you can use it to amplify your fitness brand's reach. See you next time.